go, boys! Have some ganne ka ras.
Hola, ¿qué tal? My name is Suraj, call sign Tiger, and I've been with Soul Thumper since 2014. And I don't know for how long I've been riding. I've been riding in my dreams, I've been riding in my sleep, I've been riding in my whatever.
What's the plan, Tiger? Where are you planning to heading to?
So we are planning a ride to Mana. And if we have time, would love to see the holy places around that area. I think we should be able to because we have built in a couple of days for that. I'm looking forward for another pass to be done. As far as toughness is concerned, it's fairly okay. I mean, I'm not expecting much, but yes, a lot of off-roading. That's what we love to do. Ciao.
Thank you. And I'll just pass it on to our mighty Anna, Mr. Naresh.
Hi guys, Naresh Atman, and I've been riding, I don't know, it's been more than 10 years now. I ride Bullet 500 Thunderbird and Tiger 800cc XX. Since 2018. Yes, we look forward to a very memorable ride this one, and I'm especially looking forward to take the checkbox on Mana Pass. We've already done such pass, me and Suraj and Srikanth, so we want to do this one. And what I would expect from this ride is that I need to test out the Tiger, how it behaves on such terrain, and let's hope that it turns out good. Ciao.
Ciao. Hi, this is Falcon here, aka Srikanth, I would say. My call sign, I call for a riding, that's my first name. Jai Hind to everyone. It's a lovely experience riding after 2 years, meeting old friends, and एक अरसा हो गया लग रहा है. I've been off. There have been very beautiful memories in the past 2 years, which I'll share later. But yeah, I'm looking forward for this wonderful trip with all my friends, brothers. Mana Pass it is, and thanks to all the folks, they have planned it beautifully. As we progress, I think we'll take you through our journey. We are planning many things on the trip. Beautiful experiences, beautiful photo shoots, video vlogging and everything. Hope so that we are able to capture those beautiful moments and you live with us. You live the memories that we cherish. Over and out. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sandy aka Beacon. I have a Himalayan BH3 model. I've been riding since 6 years. I have done a lot of rides pan India, 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers also. I'm actually looking forward for Mana Pass for I have a beautiful experience with a lovely people and make a memorable experience of this whole ride. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bray.
Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Jai Hind.
क्या हाल चाल है सब आपके? So we just had a breakfast in Throttle Shuttle और अब हम जा रहे हैं MMG, the Mandir Masjid Gurdwara of biking. Basically, we're going to get our service done, and of course we will look at some spares to carry and general checkup of the bike before we go out on a long ride. So that's the usual drill before any long ride. You have to get your bikes checked. They should be in good shape. Shape is very essential. Good shape of body, good shape of mind, and good shape of machine. These are knobby tires. Knobby tires. Knobby tire na?
विजय कौन से टायर है?
So this is the Mandir Masjid Gurdwara of biking, and here we are, all the bikes. The owner, the mechanic.
Nicely made actually.